Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar for you and I've got Charlotte Tilbury and this is the Lucky Chest of Beauty Secrets. This is the outer packaging. I'll just take it off and show you what it looks like inside. It costs £160 and it contains 12 beauty products, 2 are full size and 10 are travel sizes, and they contain award-winning skincare and makeup. This is my very first time unboxing a Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar. I am very excited. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I know I see it online, but you can't really appreciate it, not unless you've got it in your hand. Have all their other previous advent calendars been like this, you know, where it's all like glitz and glam? Look, these little knobs. The little knobs are really cute. It is so pretty. It's just like a gorgeous jewellery case. Yeah, it's definitely a keepsake, isn't it? Although it's absolutely beautiful, it is a lot smaller than what I expected. I thought it would be bigger, but then obviously 12 products, you're not going to have, unless it's just overload of packaging, you're not going to have something massive, are you? I'm going to be collaborating with Charlotte Tilbury in this video. They have given me an affiliate code as well, which will entitle you to 15% off if you are a new customer. That'll bring it down by about £24–25. I'll pop a link to the calendar down below in my description, as well as my code and all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. But yeah, let's get on to opening then. How do I know? Is it got days? No, it hasn't. I just open it one by one. But look, I'll give you one last close-up of the box. All right then, starting at the top. Let's have a look. It's wrapped up. No, there's nothing in there. It's come out. We have got a collagen lip bath in Walk of No Shame. This is one of the travel sizes. Having to look on the website because there's no information in here. A high shine sheer berry lip gloss for a healthy looking rush of glossy colour. The collagen and super lip peptide enriched formula is a secret to a kissable, fuller looking pout. I've had a few Charlotte Tilbury mystery boxes. They usually bring them out around like November time, something like that. And I got a feeling I have this. I don't know. I have got, oh my gosh. I've got a huge selection of lipsticks and I need to get rid of a load because obviously they're not going to last forever, are they? But I'm sure I've got this. This is a beautiful colour. I do really like it. It's a collagen lip bath. I was going to say day number 2 then, but it's not. This little drawer here. See this in there. We've got a serum. This is an award-winning serum. It's the Charlotte's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. We've got 8 mils there. It says on the back, crystal infused Replexium serum for younger looking miracle skin. Also contains vitamin C, polyglutamate acid and niacinamide for skin that's intensely hydrated and looks brighter, smoother and younger. I'm not going to test that out on my hand because I've already got a little one of these. I think I've got a smaller version, so maybe a sample. If this is a travel, then yeah, I've obviously got a sample. It's a nice serum, but I haven't used it long enough to form an opinion on it to see whether it has any nice long-lasting benefits to my skin, so I can't really tell you. It's an award winner, so it must be good. So down here, drawer, down here. Get out my head, I want to say number 3. Oh, this is so cute. I've got the full-size version of this. This is a beauty light wand. It's an easy highlighter in Spotlight. There's 5 mils there. Oh, so cute. It's really teeny tiny. I do love smaller versions of products like these because if I go away for a night or on holiday, it's just downsizing, isn't it? I'd love to know the actual value of this advent calendar. I had a quick look online and I couldn't find out. So you just twist it and then you squeeze it a little bit until the product come on. There, it's started to now. I'll just do a little bit on my hand. These ones are really nice. I've got contour, blush and a highlight as well. Really pretty. There, blended it in a little bit more. As you can see, it's not super shimmery and glittery. It's just a really nice flattering highlighter. A mini version of the world famous Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight. This is a magical rose gold liquid highlighter inspired by the beauty light effects of Hollywood. Red carpets for a luminous looking, soft focus, natural looking glow. Yeah, okay. I really like that. So that's our 3rd box. Over here to the next one. And we got the first of one of our full sizes. And this is the Magic Lip Oil Elixir. Crystal Elixir. Ooh. Fling it on the floor. And there's 8 mils there. I haven't tried this yet. I'm sure this is award-winning as well. I haven't tried it. Let's see what it says first. Full-size tube of the award-winning lip oil for hydrated, luscious, kissable lips infused with hyaluronic acid and plant extracts to lock in moisture. Use as a lip conditioner by day and a lip mask by night. Oh, it's a roller. Ooh, a bird just came towards me. I thought it was going to whack the window, but it just swooped. Anyway, it's got a little roller ball there. Let's try a little bit there. It's there. You're not going to see too much. It has a nice subtle smell. It smells really nice, actually. It smells a bit like cake. Like a lemony cake, but I'm not sure if it's lemon. No, it smells nice. It is very subtle. It's not going to be like, phew, really smelly, but it's not too gloopy. It just feels really nice, on my hand at least. So we've got a magic oil crystal elixir there. Down here. Take that away. We've got Push Up Lashes mascara. I like this one. Yes, we've got a black one. This is really, really nice. I've had full size, I've had little minis. Again, looking at the wand, you'd think, is that really going to do much to my lashes? But it does. It grabs them and it lifts them. It's a nice mascara to really get in there. I'm sure I've got a hair in my eye. This is really annoying me. Small brushes are brilliant because it causes a lot less smudging than if I've got a big brush. Yeah, it's a nice mascara. So there's that. Next drawer. Ooh, this is stiff, I can't open it. We've got a lip cheat. This is a lip pencil in shade Hot Gossip, I think it is. Yeah, a reshape and resize lip liner. Then let's try it in the corner. That's a really nice shade. Goes with a lot of my lipsticks. So we've got a lip liner. Okay, down here. There. This is a Rock & Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil in Barbarella Brown. I don't have this one, so this is new. Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil, Rock & Coal. Okay. A little bit confused there, but give it a go. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. Yeah, it is. It looks exactly like a liquid eyeliner. That is so lovely. It's the dark pencil there. That is so nice. So it's a kohl, but it applies like a liquid. Oh, I really like that. Yeah, I love the colour as well. Barbarella Brown. Is that? Down here. We got a brush. I don't own any Charlotte Tilbury brushes. That's a really nice brush, actually, to great for foundation. I really like these type of brushes for foundation or for contouring or bronze, whatever you want really. It's a face brush. A mini version of my 2-in-1 multi-use makeup brush, perfect for effortlessly blending in your contour, foundation, concealer and more. The large flat top head will allow you to achieve a flawless looking base quickly and effortlessly, while the angled small head... What? Have I got a wrong one? The angled small head is perfect for precise contouring. Just had a look, there isn't another brush in the box. Oh, I was supposed to have a little mini brush on the bottom. It's not there. There's no brush on the bottom there. If there had been, that would have been really good. Because multitasking brush, it's brilliant. But yeah, we got a little mini foundation, concealer, contour type brush. Over here. Ooh, love the packaging. What have we got here? This is a Glowing Gen. Before I open it up and see what it is, what is a Glowing Gen? Hot Lips 2 lipstick in Glowing Gen. This is full size. A universally flattering beachy rose lipstick in a refillable leopard print tube, formulated in my moisturising kissing formula for a satin finish kiss of dreamy colour. It's really smart, look at it. A leopard print. I do love loads of Charlotte Tilbury's lipsticks. It's got a little kiss on the side there. Let's give it a try. Let's go over here. Oh, that's really pretty. There. I really like that. Definitely a shade I would wear. And love that it's refillable as well. It's got lipstick. Over here. Oh, we got another little teeny tiny, well, it's a travel size it is, but it's cute. It's the blush this time. We've got a Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand, Easy Liquid Blush, and there's 5 mils here. So like the highlighter, so there's a little blush. I haven't got a matte one, I've got a shimmery one. Woo, that was really quick to come to the top then. Okay, let's add a bit there. See, it's a beautiful colour. Yeah, I really like that. Just blend it out a bit. Yeah, I love that. All usable shades, definitely. So small. All right, down here, we've got a pot of the Magic Cream, Instant Turnaround Moisturizer, and we've got here 15 mils. I have used this many, many times. It's really, really thick, luxurious, and rather smelly, but in a nice way. It's just heavily fragranced, but I prefer the light version. This is great if I've got really dry skin, particularly in like changes of season, because our skin changes all the time, doesn't it? But yeah, towards like the winter time, like December, January time, I have got combo skin, but I do sometimes have dryness, and especially like my chest and things like that. So I always opt for a thicker moisturizer, and this is really nice. It blends beautifully on my skin and makeup sits really nicely on top. But I do prefer the lighter one. It just suits my skin better. And then lastly, look how it's presented. We've got the setting spray. I think this comes in a few different sizes. I've got the full version of this, and I recently received this somewhere else. I can't remember. A beauty box, I think it was, a recent beauty box. So this is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, party all night, stay all day, and we've got 34 mils here. It's a nice setting spray. So I would love to see Charlotte Tilbury come out with a glow setting spray, not a full-on glittery disco ball look. I don't want that is not me whatsoever, but a nice subtle glow that we see in some other setting sprays. Oh, it just feels so nice. It feels so nice. So those are all the products in this year Charlotte Tilbury Lucky Box of Secrets. What's it called? Why is my brain like a sieve? Lucky Chest of Beauty Secrets. I absolutely adore this box. It is so, so pretty. Really, really pretty. Definitely keeping it. And I've just realised this opens up as well. Oh, look. Look. See if you can put things in there. I'm going to keep this for my jewellery. My earrings and rings and some bracelets and things. Yeah. Not necessarily makeup, but jewellery. I just think it's beautiful. It is pricey. £160, no doubt, is a luxury price end for a beauty advent calendar. And we know Charlotte Tilbury, the price point is on the luxury side of things. So the lipstick and the lip oil are the 2 full-size items in this box. Because I don't own either of them, I don't know how much they cost. I think if you're new to Charlotte Tilbury, this is a really nice advent calendar to get as a special treat. You get to try quite a few of their products, which are lovely. But if you are a huge Charlotte Tilbury fan, you might already have all this already. What would be really, really great is if they brought out like limited editions specifically for their advent calendar, and we know we're only going to get it in the advent calendar. I think that will be a really big pull, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought it yourself? Are you thinking shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.